Today we'll observe two wild animals walking fiercely through the night. As you can see here, there is a creature walking two dogs, holding them captive on leashes. How cruel, this creature! It seems to me that it's bringing them to the water, trying to drown them, perhaps. As you can recall, you probably remember me saying that there was two creatures I want to show you. Well, the next one is coming up soon. As you can see, this creature right here is on their free time. They are currently communicating with their other creatures in their unknown language. Their language is very, very strange to us. We have no idea what they are.